Alright, here's another one for us. This is why I stress the importance of making sure electrical connections are tight. These electrical connections wear out. So when they get loose on here, see how easy that slips on and off of there. What that does is that creates an arc. So when the electrical connection is not super tight, that power has to transfer from the terminal to the terminal fitting. When it does that, it creates a little arc. That arc is heat that causes the wire to melt. During maintenances and different types of things, all we got to do is check and tighten all these fittings and make sure that there's no arc in the electrical. This would definitely have been an avoidable service call had we done maintenance on this, or had someone tightened up the electrical connections last time they were here.